I found a YouTube channel making $25,000 per month using AI generated videos with no face, no voice, and no filming. And I am about to show you their exact strategy so you can apply it yourself. This channel posts both long form YouTube video, which is the one you're watching now, and YouTube shorts in the motivational niche. And they are getting millions of views every single month. By the end of this video, you will know the exact type of content they create, the tools they use, and how you can start building a similar channel in 2026. Let's get right into it. If you are new to my channel, my name is Vanity, and I talk about real ways to make money online and build passive income using what you already have so you could create more freedom in your life. All right, let me break down this entire strategy. So this channel I study is a Faceless AI channel. As I said earlier, they post both long form content and short form content. And here is why this works so well in 2026. People crave inspiration, as myself, love those kind of videos. So motivational content never goes out of style. Dual format strategy. They are using both long form and shorts to maximize reach. AI makes it scalable, which means that you can create multiple of these videos per day. No face, no voices required, which is perfect for people who do not want to be on camera. The secret, they are posting consistently, multiple times per week for both long form videos and short form videos. Consistency plus trending topics plus good execution equal viral growth. Now let me show you the exact tools these channels use to create these kind of content. The first tool is ChatGPT. Y'all stop sleeping on ChatGPT, okay? Don't sleep on it, please. Okay, AI ain't do nothing to you. But yeah, the first tool is ChatGPT. And they use ChatGPT for the script. Free version works perfectly. The second tool is optional. That is Quillbot. And this is used for rewriting. This helps make the content sound less AI generated. So basically, once ChatGPT give you the script, you will then copy the entire script, paste it into Quillbot so it can make it sound more natural. Again, this is optional. Tool number 3 is the main tool, which is InVideo. This tool is used to create AI generated video from a text prompt. InVideo AI do have a free plan, but it is limited. I would recommend getting the max plan or the generative plan, depending on your budget, if you are going to create a lot of videos. The fourth tool is 11 Labs, and this is used for the voiceover. Don't worry, I'm going to have all the tools I am mentioning linked down below. 11 Labs create realistic AI voices. The free plan gives you enough credit to make some videos. A couple of videos per week until you are ready to upgrade to the paid plan. The fifth tool is CapCut, and that is used for editing. CapCut is 100% free. They do have a paid plan. You can upgrade to the paid plan if you want to, but you can work with the free plan. And it works on desktop and mobile. Use it to add text overlays, music, the voiceover, and final touches. That's it. 5 tools, minimal cost. And like I said earlier, I will leave the link to all the tools in the description if you need it or want to check them out. If you are finding this helpful so far, do me a quick favor and hit the like button and subscribe. I post videos like this every single week, showing you real ways to make money online, and watching the video all the way through really helps YouTube shows this to more people who need it. All right, let's keep going. Here is the content formula that's making these channels blow up. Number 1, a strong hook in the first 3 seconds. The hook determines if people keep watching or scroll past. Number 2 is emotional storytelling. The best videos tell a mini story. or share a relatable struggle. People connect with stories and not just generic advice. Number 3 is powerful visuals. Cinematic AI generated scenes that matches the emotion of the message. Number 4 is text overlays. Key phrases or quotes displayed on screen. This is huge for accessibility and engagement. Number 5 is trending topics. They watch what is trending in self-improvement. Let me break down their content strategy. As I mentioned earlier, they post 2 types of content. The first content is YouTube Shorts. That's 30 through 60 seconds. They upload quick motivational clips that grab attention. These videos help them reach new viewers and go viral. The second one is long form videos, which can be 5 through 10 minutes or even longer. These types of videos generate more ad revenue per view. Why this dual strategy works. Shorts bring in new subscribers, while long form videos monetize those subscribers better. Together, they maximize both reach and income. Here are the mistakes I see beginners make. Mistake number 1, using robotic AI voices. Bad AI voices kills engagement. Use 11 Labs or natural sounding voices. Mistake number 2 is generic content. Don't just copy what everyone else is saying. Add your own angle or twist. The third mistake is inconsistent posting. You can't just post 5 videos and expect to go viral. You need to consistently post in order to start seeing traction. The fourth mistake is ignoring analytics. Check which videos perform the best and then make more of that content. The fifth mistake is the important mistake, is giving up too early. Most successful Faceless channels didn't see results until month 3 through 6, or maybe even longer. If you are still watching this video right now, I want you to go comment down below, I am not giving up all 2026. And remember your comment. All right, so that's the complete strategy behind Faceless YouTube channels in the motivational niche. The formula is simple. AI tools plus consistent posting plus dual content strategy, which is just short form videos and long form. Is it guaranteed? No, nothing is guaranteed. But I will say, if you stay consistent, you are going to see some kind of growth and follow what's working. You can build a profitable Faceless channel in 2026. And this could be in any niche. But if you want to see the exact step-by-step process I use to create viral AI inspirational videos using 100% free tools, you need to watch this video next. That video shows you the exact tools and process to create motivational videos that get thousands of views. Perfect for building a Faceless channel like the one I just showed you. Click that video next and I'll meet you there.